This type of fractions questions is a must-know. It involves finding fractions of a fraction. Think of Inception, the Leonardo DiCaprio movie, where he enters dreams within dreams. Before I overcomplicate matters, let's just jump straight into our first example. A popular way of solving questions like this is a method known as branching. It is like a map you can use to keep track of where everything is. Let's try and understand how this map works through this example. The question states that 2/3 of the pens on a table are blue, so there are 3 units in total. And 2 of those units are blue. This means that the remainder is 1 unit. The question goes on to say that 1/4 of the remainder is red and the rest is black. This means that we have to break the 1 unit, which is the remainder, into 4 smaller units. One of those units is red and the other 3 are black. The problem now is that we have units of different sizes. To change them to the same size, we can cut the bigger units into smaller ones. Remember that each of the big units is equal to 4 of the smaller ones. So we will have 4 units for the remainder, 8 for blue and 12 for the total. Thus, black markers as a fractions of the total as 3 out of 12. There is actually a shortcut to all of this. To express red as a fraction of the total, we can simply take 1/4 times 1/3. To express black as a fraction of the total, we take 3/4 times 1/3. We can now redraw the diagram to see what this looks like. Notice that all the branches add up to one whole. To understand why this method works, remember that to find a fraction of a total, we can take that fraction times the total. Since the remainder is 1/3 of the total, we want to know what 3/4 of that is. So we can take 3/4 times 1/3.